time for a full technical analysis on the charts with Sensei Crypto on Nikola, NKLA. Thank you, Sensei, and now on with the video.
Thank you, Martin, for the introduction. Now we're going to be looking at the technicals of Nikola. This stock, as you can see, previously someone must have requested, you can see these highs and then these lower lows and then these highs and then a lower low, high, lower low, high, lower low. So you can see from the very beginning, you would be getting out around here realistically because you saw this trend upcoming. And the trend has just been to the downside. Is there a change of trend coming? I don't really see it. Let me see if I can get the RSI back. I seem to have lost the RSI. No. There we go. The trend, is it changing? I'm not too confident it is. We do have this low put in and then a midterm sort of higher high. What we need to make sure is we don't take out these lows. So this low here, if we break the 58 cents level, then it's basically all over for Nikola. What is the market cap? It is 884 million. If we break the lows of 59 cents, maybe we put a stop loss around 58 cents or something like that, because I do predict if we break these lows, we can come down maybe 30, 40 more %. So a stop loss could be in place. However, the only good thing I see on this chart is on the daily, you can see this low here and this lower low. On the RSI, you've got the opposite going on. You've got this low and a higher low. This is bullish divergence. And the way to strategize this specific stock would be a long position anywhere from here, stop loss again under where we've just said, and then aiming for that sort of 200-day moving average at $1.23. That is a possibility, and that's a way to reduce your risk and still be involved. It is a volatile stock, so you do want to take profits when you can. It is at a low, so that's the only thing. The long term is not looking good, but the mid-term and the short term is not looking horrendous. Just because you've already got the lows, you have already gone up to sort of a overextended level at $3. So you've taken out all those stop losses. So it can come to a point where you sort of hit this $1.70. You hit the levels where the 200-day moving averages, which relate to also these highs over here. So you can see a $1.28 Nikola, especially if the earnings come out and it's good. Expect it to go up. If the earnings come out and it's bad, then you might have your buyers say 60 cents, maybe again at 52 cents. But I would be careful buying this one. It's had its time to accumulate. It's time for it to go up, and the clock is ticking. The longer it doesn't go up, the more likely it's starting to break down. But yeah, my targets would be $1.28. And you just saw my trade set up there with the stop loss below 58 cents. So yes, I think we've already seen the Nikola earnings, haven't we? But yes, Martin's already done the fundamental review of the stock. So if you click above my head, you'll be able to see that. And I'm sure Martin reiterate it when I hand it back to him. But again, yeah, Nikola is at a low point. If you're DCAing, do DCA. Just be wary. If you break these all-time lows, then you can start to see this accelerate to the downside. Just look back at the stock and all it's ever done since its highs in 2020 is come down. So remember, if you're buying in, don't put in all your money. Maybe put in 50%, 40%, and just ladder in. Maybe the next buy at 58 cents, the next buy at 51 cents, and the next buy after that. The way you can sort of see where it could be the next good buys. It's just a quick, very small Fibonacci. 41 cents is saying might be a good level to be buying it next. So you put a line there. That's worst case scenario. You might be looking at 40 cents, 41 cents Nikola. As long as we stay above 58 cents, there's nothing bad. We will probably be heading up to 128. Again, I can quickly show you the alpha spread, which Martin uses as to do the fundamentals. Just a quick look. What's Wall Street targets is 148% to the upside, 180. So again, that's our second take profit level. And then the intrinsic value is at around $1. So that's just below our first target. So alpha spread, looking at the fundamentals, is saying it's pretty much a buy. And at this moment in time, I'm also saying it's a buy. So I haven't shown you exactly what I was looking at there. It's alpha spreads technology. The link to get this will be in the description below. And you get a 10% discount. And we just have Zach Zate in the comments saying, I'm trying to find the Nikola station. Let me just bring this to you. Zach Zate is a member of ours who's went and saw the SBC spaceport, and what he's just said in the comments now is, I'm trying to find the Nikola station in Oakland. It's being operated by First Element. I'll phone in live from there. That is breaking news, and I would love to see that. Thank you very much, Zach Zate. Good luck trying to find it. I would love to see this plant as well. Thank you for everything you do, Zach Zate. Let me pass it back to you, Martyn.
Thank you, Sensei. Another great job. Thank you very much for partnering with my show. Click above my head. You'll find all the links you'll need down below in the description. More links directly to Sensei's services and other things I think you'll find useful. And over here, more videos and content that'll help you as well. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.